Welcome. This is starting from scratch. Let's talk bloodlines, crosses. The pedigree. No dog raised, sold, or bred for any legal purposes. This is strictly for historical and educational purposes only. Understanding the Pit Island Red Boy Jocko dogs. First dog up is Pit Island's Thug, registered married, who is a great looking dog and he also producer. Let's check and see how Thug is bred. Thug is sired by Tance Red Devil, POR, bred to Tance Cinco. Tance Red Devil is sired by Tance Grand Champion Yellow, bred to STP's Champion Sassy. Tance Cinco is sired by Tance Grand Champion Yellow, bred to Tance Little Sassy. Little Sassy is sired by Tance Rojo, bred to STP's Champion Sassy. Thug is bred real interesting because he is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He's 7/8 the breeding of Tance Grand Champion Yellow, which is Chavez Champion Yellow John, bred to Tance Miss Jocko, 2-time winner and a registered married. Pit Island's Thug, a great looking Red Boy Jocko dog, and he also producer. Tant pretty much preserved the line when he bred brother and sister together. Tance Grand Champion Yellow to STP's Champion Sassy to create this line of dogs. Red Devil and AAA were the great dogs off of that breeding. And Cinco, Tance Cinco was a half sister to both of those great dogs. Pit Island didn't stop there. They bred Thug back to his daughter, Pit Island's Miss Jocko, to produce Pit Island's Champion Thor. And Miss Jocko was sired by Pit Island's Thug, bred to PIK's and Sam Arab's Champion Reba, who was sired by Sam Arab's Champion Boomer, registered married, bred to Pit Island's Tina 2. What's interesting about this breeding is Pit Island's Tina 2 is sired by Tance AAA, bred to Tance Tori. And Tori is a daughter of Tance AAA, bred to Tance Little Sassy. And Little Sassy being off of Tance Rojo, bred to STP Sassy. Pit Island pretty much stuck to the strip from Tant and kept these dogs tight. Red Boy Jocko, and bred it in the inbred Red Boy to Sam Day Rab Boomer. Pit Island's Champion Thor, great looking dog, and also producer. Stay tuned, more to come about these great American Pit Bull Terriers. Starting